शिक्षणिक मळार वेगान बदल जाताना दिश्टी पडतात। गोयचे पहिले पिक्सल स्प्लॅश एंड AI जनरेटेड आर्ट एक्झिबिशन मडगावच्या दामोदर कॉलेजीत जाले। पळयात।
वयपाटी गोंयांत कॉलेजी आमचे दामोदर कॉलेजी भुरग्यांनी ते सायन्स शिकवताय ते आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स विच इज द फ्युचर। जे आर्ट जे आहे पिक्चर्स जे आहे ते आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स यूज करून हे आर्ट आज प्रेजेंट केले एंड दे पुट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ स्मॉल वर्कशॉप हियर एंड इट इज समथिंग which Goa has to see and the rest of the colleges to get motivated and start workshops like this. I think AI is the future and हे फ्युचराक जरी तरी आमी आतां रेडी जावपाक जाय जाल्यार असली वर्कशॉपां असले प्रेजेंटेशन आनी असले गॅलरीज आनी प्रेजेंट करपाक जाय।
And today we have organized an AI exhibition. We have used tools which we use to generate these images, and I thank Sir Sandesh sir. He has given this opportunity to us to organize this event and make this event a successful event.
So the artificial intelligence is more demanding now, so people want to understand the concepts of writing the prompts. So we come up with the idea that our student will create the images or the art images while developing the prompt. So they have explored with the variation in the prompts and created this particular artwork. And this is one of first exhibition, AI-based exhibition in Goa. As of now, nobody has organized AI exhibition, so we are organizing it. And somebody has to take steps, because right now people are worried about the AI since it is growing fast, right? But we have taken first step to give the student a platform, the young generation, so they can, in the future, they can take this as a career or they can promote this AI exhibition.
म्हाका दिसता हे AI इज द फ्युचर। आतां आमी आमचे जे स्टुडंट्स आहा दे हॅव डन अ वंडरफूल जॉब। इट डजंट लूक लायक इट्स रेडीमेड टूल्स इट्स व्हेरी प्रोफेशनल। बरें दिसता पळोवन घेतले आनी तांकां कॉम्पिटिशन म्हणपाक शकता कित्याक सदांच कोणें हें केला फूल अरेंजमेंट्स केला इतले आनी फर्स्ट टायम इन गोवा। सो गुड लक, ऑल द बेस्ट आनी बरें जावं।
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, मनीषा जाधव आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।